Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Nancy from nancybadija.com, and on today's tutorial I wanted to do my first video geared towards real estate agents. I am a digital marketing specialist, and my husband Cornelius is a school counselor by day, and he's a real estate agent at night. And I help my husband grow his branding, grow his social media presence online, and help him with all aspects of digital marketing, getting leads, how to do Facebook ads, and etc. And the reason why I thought it would be useful to create a playlist of videos for real estate agents, since there are a lot of real estate agents out there that really need help in this area. Ever since he started doing real estate, I've noticed the lack of knowledge there is on companies teaching real estate agents different techniques that they could do. And even when they post on Facebook or post on social media, um, not understanding how to post correctly, images being cut off, putting long links when they could shorten the links down, and even having their social media presence not having an impact on the digital marketing space, which is very important nowadays to get leads and get referrals and so on. This is like just to kind of show you my husband's real estate group. It's called Everything Real Estate. Right now he has up to 19,969 members. Feel free to send out a request. If you are a real estate agent, you are allowed to post anything related to real estate. He has his Instagram account, which has 11,000 followers. He has his Twitter account that has 78,000 followers. So this is to kind of showcase that you can grow your business if done the proper way. And this is why I wanted to create a section on my YouTube channel dedicated for real estate agents. So this is the first video that I'm doing. And in this video, I'm going to go over a tool. It's a free tool called Linktree. And Linktree is a tool that helps you optimize your Instagram traffic to different destinations. So it's really nice because one of the pet peeves I have with Instagram is that you can only put one link right here, and you have to switch it out every time that you want to link it to a different page. So you can only have one link, whether it's going to be to your contact page, whether it's going to be to your real estate group, whether it's going to be to your real estate fan page, whether you want it to your real estate company website, to your own blog, but you can only have one link. Now with Linktree, it's a free service. You could do the free service, which you don't pay anything, or you could do the pro service, and it's only $6 a month. So the free service, you get unlimited links, so you're able to drive additional, you could put as many links as you like to different destinations on your Instagram account. You're able to you're able to see how many clicks you get per week. So you'll be able to see that your contact page has gotten 21 clicks and your website has gotten 31 clicks, and that kind of shows you the metrics, and it kind of makes you understand what's working, what's not working. Maybe you need to remove the link, maybe you need to rename the title of that link a little bit different. And with the $6, it gives you a little bit more. That's why it's called the Pro. You're able to capture people's addresses with their emails. You could do like a newsletter integration. Like if you have AppWeber or MailChimp, you could connect it, and you could collect leads basically. They have more themes, meaning the background, the color. This right here is black. You could change it to different colors. The branding of Linktree is removed from the page. You're able to see a day-by-day breakdown of the traffic that you're generating by your clicks. And as you can see, you get a lot of more other stuff. You're able to put parameters in Google Analytics. You're able to see the traffic under Google Analytics under social, so you'll be able to see the traffic there as well. So it does have a lot more, but if you don't want to pay the $6 a month, I highly suggest to do the free plan. It will actually increase your traffic to different destinations and hopefully get you more leads as well. And the way that it looks is that you go in here you go to links, and you put in, so this is his contact me page, and this takes them to his company, which is Fulton Grace. You could put your blog, so you would put the title here, so you will go here, for instance, and you would put here contact me, like he did, and then down here you will put the page that you want them to connect to you, and that's pretty much what you do. Once you do that, you save it. Um, Oops, okay. And then we put my YouTube channel. That way you guys could go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you like to. Facebook business page, Facebook group, and his Etsy shop. He has an Etsy shop where he sells resources for real estate agents, like templates, open house forms, open house signs, and etc. So you just fill this out. You could put as many links as you want. Put them to the most important pages that you want. Obviously, you can also switch them around. So if you want to put your blog on the top or you want to keep your contact page on the top, you could do that as well. So you can move them around. And if you go on the settings, you're able to change the colors. These are the only colors that you have at the current moment. If you do the Pro, that's when you get the additional themes that they were talking about. So right now we have it set up as the black. Once you put all the links here and you have all the links that you want the pages to be attached to, all you have to do is grab this link here and you copy that in your profile on your Instagram. So you will go to your Instagram page, you will go edit, and you will put it right there. So what that does is that when people go to your page, for instance, let me show you. If somebody clicks on the link, they have the option to visit any of these. So they could click on contact me, and that would take them to his Fulton Grace page, where it has his reviews, it has his information, his picture, a little bit more about who he is, and so on. You could also click on Facebook business page to follow him there and connect there with him if you like to. You could click on the Everything Real Estate group that he has over 19,000 followers if you want to join that. Etsy shop, which is his resources for real estate agents where you could buy stuff for your next open house or gifts for your clients. So this is a really nice technique. It will help you optimize traffic to different pages. It's a great way to put additional pages in there if you have a book, if you have pretty much anything you want to do, and it's unlimited links. So there's no limit. You could add as many as you like. I would suggest to add no more than 6 because then it starts coming down here on the bottom. So I would say at least 6 max and maybe 3 minimum. So do a contact, maybe your Facebook page, maybe your LinkedIn if you like. So this is a great way to optimize on traffic, potentially get more leads. And I just wanted to showcase this because this is something simple that you could do as a real estate agent that you could do today. It takes a few minutes to do. It's a free service and you're already on your way of branding yourself a little bit better. So if you like this tutorial, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be adding additional videos for real estate agents on how to grow their social media presence, how to start a Facebook group, how to do a Facebook ad. I'm going to do pretty much anything I could do to help you grow your business and land more potential leads. So thank you again for watching, and you guys have a wonderful night.